Hello dear students. In this video, let's learn how to draw a pie chart, a circle graph. Let's see a question here. Draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows the colors preferred by a group of people. The given table is colors blue, green, red, yellow. Number of people. For blue, 18 people. Green, 9 people. Red, 6 people. Yellow, 3 people. We are going to represent this data using a pie chart, a circle graph. We know very well a pie chart. It looks like a circle, that is circle graph. So to draw a circle graph, we need to do some calculation. We know very well the total angle at the center of a circle is 360 degree. So now we are going to find the central angle for each sector, for blue, for green, red, yellow. To do that, we have to do a calculation. Now for blue, let's calculate. We are going to find central angle for each sector. For blue, first let's calculate the total number of people. What is the total number of people? In field table, total also would have been given, but in this we have to find the total number of people. That frequency 18 plus 9, 27 plus 6, 33 plus 3, 36. Now for each color we are going to find the central angle. So first we have taken blue. We are going to find the central angle for blue color. So to make, first let's frame fractional form. The total number of people 36, and for blue how many people? 18. First we framed in fractional form. Then we need to multiply the fraction by 360 degree. Because we are going to draw a circle graph, the total angle at the center of a circle is 360 degree. So now we need to simplify this. It's very simple, easy simplification, is it? Numerator, denominator, we need to see whether is any numerator and denominator having common factor. So now we can divide this easily. Is it 36 ones are 36, then 10 times. So now we get 18 into 10, 180 degree. This 180 degree is the central angle of blue color. Like that we are going to find for green. So for green color, as usual, very first step, write in fractional form the total number of people, that denominator represents total number of total number, is it? So the denominator is 36. Then for green how many people? 9. We framed in fractional form. Then multiply the fraction by 360 degree. Each fraction to be multiplied by 360 degree. As usual, one time 36, one time and 10 times here. So now let's multiply the numerators equal to 90 degree. 9 into 10, 90 degree. So now we found central angle for blue color and central angle for green color. Like that we are going to find for red also. As usual, what is the denominator? Total number of people, 36, and for red, 6 people. Multiply the fraction by 360 degree. So let's, 36 ones are 36 and 10 times. So 6 into 10, 60 degree. Now for yellow, as usual, the denominator will be the total number of people and yellow 3. Then multiply it by 360. Already we have done in that simplification, no? Directly it is 10. So 3 into 10, 30 degree. And you can confirm your answer by adding all the central angles. Just add 180 plus 90 plus 30 plus 60. Surely you will be getting 360 degrees. So yourself can confirm your answer. Now we found the central angle for each sector, that is for blue, green, red and yellow. Now we are going to draw a circle graph, a pie chart. Okay, to draw a circle graph, a pie chart, you can take a compass with our convenient radius. You can take a convenient radius to draw a circle. Just let me keep a center. Then keep the pointer of the compass on the center and draw a circle with convenient radius. Now we drew a circle with a convenient radius. Then take a ruler, draw any radius. Draw any radius. We drew a circle with convenient radius. Then draw a radius. Anywhere you can draw a radius. That is a radius we know from the center. Radius is a line segment from the center to any point on the boundary. So from the center to any point on the boundary. Now we drew a radius. Even we can name here the center name O and this point A. So OA is a radius, like that also we can name it. Now we drew a radius. Now we are going to construct the angle one by one. So to construct the angle, we are taking protractor. Let me name the center as O. Then center of the circle is O. And now even let's name this also OA is the radius. Take the protractor, and we know very well this is the center of the protractor. This point is the center of the protractor, and this is the zero line of the protractor. Zero line, this one, horizontal line or baseline of the protractor. This line, baseline or zero line of the protractor. So now we are going to keep the center of the protractor on O. We are going to keep the center of the protractor on O and adjust the zero line of the protractor, that is baseline of the protractor, according to that radius. See, once again, the center of the protractor should coincide on the point O, the center of the circle. Then adjust the baseline, that is zero line of the protractor, according to the radius. Both should coincide. The baseline of the protractor and the radius, that OA, radius, both should coincide. Like that we need to adjust. See? And which side now we are adjusting? That baseline and the radius, right hand side of the protractor only. Is it? Right hand side of the protractor only we adjusted now. So hold the protractor tightly, and how much angle we are going to construct now? 180 degree. The very first one, 180 degree, and we are starting from the inner scale, that is 0, because the baseline of the protractor and the radius OA coincide right hand side of the protractor only. So we begin from the inner scale, that is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 50, 160, 170, 180 here. Actually 180 is very easy. If you start from here, directly you can keep the point here. Need not to count. It's very simple. Anyhow, we are going by procedure. So we started like this. Is it from right hand side? So now take out the protractor and join this from O to the point which we kept here now, 180 degree. Let's join. So now we can mark this using, see the arrow mark, this is 180 degree. And what is this one? Blue color. We started from here, from OA. Okay, from this radius we started. Now 180 degree over. Now the next angle you can take green is 90 degree, is it? So now we have started from here only, no? So now I am going to construct 90 degrees. So let me keep the protractor like this because we started from here. So let's take this as a baseline. You can give name also here for this point B, that is OB. Let's take the center is same only. The center of the circle O and the center of the protractor we keep, that is we keep like that. Center of the protractor and the center of the circle should coincide. Then which side we need to adjust now? Because OB is the radius. Now we are keeping OB as the base, not OA, because we started like that. And now adjust the left hand side, this side baseline of the protractor according to the radius OB. Yes. So now that OB line and the zero line baseline of the protractor coincided. Now from this side only we are moving. Is it from this side? 0, 90 degree we need to construct. 0, so inner circle, not 180. From this side only we are moving, no, because we started like this. We are going like this. We are going. Okay, like this we are moving. So now 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Even for 90 degree also no confusion. Wherever you start you can make the same thing. Once again, the center of the protractor on O. And we adjust this side only. And we move 0, 10, 20 inner scale, using inner scale. Look at that inner scale, 0, 10, 20, because we adjusted this side only. So 90 degree we pointed. Now let's join this point. Okay. So let's name this point C. Now this angle, how much is this? 90 degree, is it? 90 degree, and the color is green. Now 2 sectors we finished. Now next we are going red color. Red color, what is the angle? 60 degree. See the arrow mark, we started and we reached now at this position. I mean this OC is the baseline now. Now we need to keep the center of the protractor, I mean the center of the protractor on O, and the radius OC. This is the baseline. Like that we are keeping and adjusting. Which side we will be adjusting? This side only, because we are moving like this. So this side only we need to adjust. Center of the protractor as well. The zero line of the protractor and the radius OC should coincide correctly. Like that we need to adjust. Then we'll start from this 0. Is it again in a circle? We are moving like this only, no? So we are going like this. So 0. How much should we construct? 60 degree, red color. The next one. 60 degrees. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Here 60 over 120. No, there we need to keep a point. 0, inner scale we are using 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Over that you keep a point and join now from O to this point. We can name anything now. This angle is 60 degree and the color is red. Now that's all. Final sector we received, and it will be what? Perfectly 30 degree you can get, and that is yellow. That's all. We finished a pie chart, a circle graph. We represented the given data using a circle graph, a pie chart.